SUPERMAX, the most versatile threaded and coupled connection in the Metal One connection family. With SUPERMAX, you get improved well economics, increased well life and integrity, and unmatched product support. Proven applications of SUPERMAX include SAG-D production and injection tubing, VIT, production casing and frac strings, production liners, and enhanced EUE tubing applications or EUE reclamation. SUPERMAX was engineered with reliability in mind. One of the key strengths of SUPERMAX over traditional API connections is reduced hoop stress. During makeup, API connections endure high hoop stress, which often exceeds the yield strength of the coupling material. This creates a volatile situation in the well and is a known cause of coupling failure in API connections. The SUPERMAX connection was carefully engineered and tested to avoid this high hoop stress. The result is uniformly safe hoop stress across all connection sizes, optimizing the balance between sealability and coupling integrity. The SUPERMAX connection uses the same tested and proven thread profile as is used on many of Metal One's connections. It combines the tensile efficiency of a square load flank with dual flank contact for superior sealability. This creates a connection that delivers both enhanced sealability and superior tensile capacity. The SUPERMAX thread profile also provides exceptional galling resistance for multiple make and breaks. The SUPERMAX connection was designed to be versatile. SUPERMAX is an excellent option for EUE replacement or reclamation. Mechanical upsetting is not required, so rethreads can be completed quickly and cost-effectively. And the SUPERMAX coupling is on average 5% slimmer than EUE couplings. This results in less hang-ups, more clearance, and overall improvements in operational efficiency. SUPERMAX is also compatible with most tubing enhancements, such as internal plastic coating, seal rings, and liners. The expanding SUPERMAX family demonstrates the connection's versatility. SUPERMAX TS, the most popular SUPERMAX family member, is designed for high torque applications with the introduction of a torque shoulder. The torque shoulder provides a positive torque stop for a significant increase in torque capability. It also creates an internally flush tube for the length of the string. Other SUPERMAX innovations include SUPERMAX TS VIT, SUPERMAX WS, and SUPERMAX HTS. Metal One's clients are worldwide, and Metal One has over 50 licensed machine shops. So far, over 23 million feet, or 750,000 joints of SUPERMAX have been put into service. On-demand access to Metal One's specialized technical center in Japan allows us to be agile and provide practical connection design solutions for your unique application. The Technical Center is available for consultation to all current and prospective clients through one of our global representatives. Find out more about the SUPERMAX Advantage on our website or contact the Metal One representative in your region for more information.